Okay, so in this video, we'll solve the question from question number. In this video, we'll solve question number 16 to question number 22 of the exercise 7.1 NCERT Mathematics class 12. So in my previous video of this part of this exercise 7.1, I have discussed from question number 6 to question number 15, and before that I have recorded one video, that is question number 1 to question number 5. So after this video, this exercise will be completely done. You can watch it anytime. So now we'll discuss question number 16 to 22 till the end of this exercise. So all the questions will be covered from this exercise. Now question number 15, already up to 15 in the previous video I have uploaded. I've done, you can check it. Now question number 16. So the base formula that in the last video also I have told that the base formula I have written here, x to the power n is the base formula, that is its integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then question means another important formula is f plus, means if two functions are added together like f and g, f of x and g of x, if plus and minus is there, then we can find individual integration. E to the power x integration is same e to the power x plus c. C we are writing for all the indefinite integration. These are indefinite, its boundary is not known to us, lower limit and upper limits are not known to us. That's why we are adding a constant here. And if a constant is multiplied with a function, then the constant we can take it outside of the integration. So, and 1 upon dx, x dx, 1 upon x integration is log mod x. So these are the integration, some of the basic formulas I have written. Other trigonometric and other formulas are also there in the book. You can check it. And however required, I'll also explain you the formulas. Now question number 16 we'll discuss. So question number 16, that is 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x dx. Now, easy question. As I have told you in the previous video also, we have discussed all these questions in detail. So here plus and minus are there, so we can separate them easily, right? We can separate them because with this our formula number 2, if two functions are sum or additions are there of two functions, then we can write them individually. Means we can find the integration of each one. So what shall I do here? What shall I do? Just I'll write this is 2x dx minus 3 cos x dx plus e to the power x dx. Each term I have written, means I'll find the integration of each individual terms. I'll add it. 2x dx, 2 is constant, will come outside. Our formula number 4, 2 will come outside. X means nothing, power is 1, so we'll use the first formula, x to the power n. So power is 1 here, that means x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1. This is our formula, right? Minus 3 cos x. Minus 3 cos x. What is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So integration is the antiderivative of that function, right? Reverse of that function. So we can write sin x is equal to integration of cos x dx, sin x plus k. We can write, right? So cos x integration is sin x. So 3 I will take outside, constant, cos x integration is sin x, e to the power integration is e to the power x plus e to the power x. Any difficulty? Now I can write, so 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So 2 to cancel. So this is x square minus 3 sin x plus e to the power x plus c. Any difficulty? Clear. Question number 16. X square minus 3 sin x e to the power x plus c. Correct answer. Now 17. Question number 17. Question number 17. What is given? 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x dx integration. Same, very easy. So I'll write individual term 2x square dx integration minus 3 sin x dx plus 5 root x dx. Second formula I will use individual. I'll find the integration of individual terms. Now 2 constant will come outside using this formula. This one, constant integration. If constant is multiplied with the function, then constant will come outside. So x square is, we'll use the first formula, x to the power n, that means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 will come outside, integration of sin x. What is integration of sin x? Is it cos x? No, not cos x, it's minus cos x. Why? Now derivative of cos x, if you remember, it is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, not sin x. So you can write what? Sin x, integration of sin x is equal to, minus will come here, minus cos x cos c. Right. So integration of sin x is minus cos x, antiderivative of sin x. So sin x is minus cos x. So cos x minus minus minus, it will become plus plus. Achha, 5 root x. Just with previous problem we have solved. Root x is x to the power half. X to the power half means same formula we'll use. If power is fraction also, no issue, we'll use this formula n plus 1. We'll consider n, your power is half, fraction. No issue, we can easily do it. So 5 is x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1. N plus 1 plus n plus 1. Half, root x means power is half. Now you can simplify it easily. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 upon 3 x to the power 3 plus 3 cos x plus half plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is in the denominator. If it will go to the numerator, upar le jayenge. If I'll take to the numerator, it will become 2 by 3. It's half plus 1 means LCM 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 by 2. If I take it to numerator, then it will become 5 into 2 upon 3. X to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So final one is 2 upon 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 10 upon 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Clear? Or any issue? Is it okay? This is question number 17. 2 upon 3 x cube 3 cos x 10 upon 3 x to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. Okay, yes, okay. Now question number 18. We'll discuss question number 18. So this exercise, question number 18 is up to question number 22. So 4 more questions. This is some trigonometric technique you will use. Question number 18. Sec x plus 10x again dx. Easy. If you remember the trigonometric integration of trigonometric functions, then it is easy. Now I'll multiply it. Why I multiply? Because I can see something. So sec square x plus sec x 10x. I multiply it. Sec x into sec x, sec square x, sec x into 10x, sec x 10x. Right. This is dx. Just I multiply. Why I multiplied? Because it will now I can use one formula. Which formula I will use? If you can guess. And sec square dx. What is the integration of sec square dx? Now we know the derivative of 10x is sec square x. So antiderivative or integration of sec square x dx will be 10x plus c. Similarly, what is sec x 10x? Now derivative, this is 1, this is 2. Derivative of sec x is sec x 10x. Now integration of sec x or antiderivative of sec x 10x dx is sec x plus. Writing on this integration is the reverse process, right? So integration of sec square x is what? 10x, and integration of sec x 10x is sec x. So both our terms will come in our formula. As then easily two steps, within one more step we can do it. So plus is there, so we can separate. We can write them separately. Sec square x dx plus integration sec x plus 10x dx, or sec x 10x dx, sec x into 10x dx. Now what is sec square x? Integration sec square x is 10x plus sec x 10x integration is sec x. Clear? 10x plus sec x plus c. ठीक है? Any doubt? If you have doubt, nothing can be done because it's a recorded class. You can write in the comment box. So I'll think about it, how I'll clarify your doubts. I can make another video for that. Question number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19 also will use some trigonometric techniques. It is sec square x by cosec square x dx integration. So what you will do? Acha, we know that now. We know that sec square x is equal to 1 upon cos square x, and we also know cosec square x is equal to 1 upon sin square x. Sin and cosec, they are reverse, reciprocal, and sec and cos, They are reciprocal. 1 upon cos is sec, 1 upon sin is cosec, that you know. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? Now this one sec will become 1 upon cos, cosec will become 1 upon sin. So sin will go up, cos will be in the denominator, right? So this will become sin square x by cos square x, or shall I do it? Let me, might get confused. Sec square x is, I'll write 1 upon cos square x, and 1 upon cosec square x is sin square x. This is 1 upon cosec square x. So sin x will be, cosec square x is 1 upon sin square x. So sin square x will be what? ये नीचे आ जाएगा 1 upon cosec square x. Huh? So 1 upon cosec square x is here. So I can write this as sin square x dx. Now sin square x by cos square x. Trigonometric, at least you should know something. Sin by cos is tan. Nah, so sin square x by cos square x is tan square x dx. One more formula will use. We can write, because tan square x we do not know the integration. We know the tan x. Using substitution you can do, but in this exercise substitution is banned. Next we will learn what to do with substitution, means how we can use the substitution. Now in this exercise we will not use substitution. So what we will do? Tan square x we can do some technique, because we know one more identity, trigonometric identity. What is that? That 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. This is one trigonometric identity, like sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. Or you can write what? Tan square x will be equal to sec square x minus 1. 1 just I'll take to the right side. So just I'll replace this tan square x with sec square x minus 1. Now life becomes easy. I'll separate these terms. Sec square x dx minus dx integration. The sec square x is just in the last question I was solving. Sec square x integration is 10x. So this is your 10x, and dx is x. You know, in the last video also dx means, integration of dx means, this is just let me do, because in the last video some of you might have not watched it. So integration of dx is x. You can do it, right? Integration of dx. So integration of dx means I can write 1 into dx, or 1 means x to the power 0 I can write. So now I'll use the first formula, that is x to the power is 0, 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus 6. So x to the power 1 x plus 6. So integration of dx is x. So integration of dx is x of c. Remember this one. Integration of dx is x. Integration of dx is x. X plus c. C will come now. So 10x minus x plus c. Is it correct? ठीक है कि नहीं? Question number 19. 10x minus x plus. ठीक है? So nothing is there. Just we have used some trigonometric. That sec square function means trigonometric algebra. That is sec square x is 1 upon cos x, and cos x square x is 1 upon cos x square x is sin square x, and sin by cos is tan. Tan we can write sec square minus 1, and then we have found out, separated them with individual integration. And individual integration means first term comes like sec square x dx, second term with dx, and we know that sec square x integration is 10x, and dx integration is x. Now question number 22, more questions after this, 21 and 22. So question number 20. Question number 20. 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx integration. Similar, just you have to use here some also same trigonometric sum technique. So I'll just separate these terms. So I'll write 2 upon cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x integration dx integration. Now 1 upon cos square x is just we have discussed now. 1 upon cos square x is sec square x. So 2 sec square x dx integration minus 3. Sin x by cos x is, so I'll write cos square x is cos x into cos x. Sin x by cos x will be 10x, and 1 upon cos x will be, means this cos square x, I'll write cos x into cos x. Okay, then sin x by cos x will become 10x. This cos square x, I'm writing here cos x into cos x. No issue, any issue. Then sin x, because when I'm writing like this, I can get something. When you practice, you can also see. What I can see that I'll get sin by cos 10, and 1 upon cos I'll get sec. So 10 into sec will be my means the formula is known to me, known to us. That is integration of sec x into 10x is, this is integration is sec x. So integration of sec x and into 10x is known to us. That's why I can see that I can convert it into in that form. So sin x upon cos x is 10x. 1 upon cos x is sec x. Why I'm doing this? Because I know sec x and 10x, if it will come, then the integration is known to me. Okay, so I can use the formula. That's why I'm converting in that direction. Else I could have written sin x into cos square x is sec square x. So sin x into sec square x, but sin x into sec square x has no, and I do not know what will be the integration. Right. That's why it will not be, means it will not be fruitful. So I have to make or find out the integration in such a way, or I have to make some arrangement, rearrange the functions in such a way that it can be after simplification, it will have a your known function, that then only it will be easy for you to calculate. So 3 10x into sec x dx integration. Now life is it. 2 constant come outside, sec square x dx integration is 10x minus 10x sec x into 10x integration is sec x, 3 comes out, so sec x plus, okay, 2 10x minus 3 sec x plus sec x. ठीक है. Any doubt? Question number 21. So up to this, there was way to find the integrations. Question number 21 and 22, both are multiple choice questions. Okay, if you have the book, you can check. So question number 21 says that question number 21, the antiderivative the antiderivative of root x plus 1 upon root x equals, options are there. Okay, so let me erase this part. So options are, option A, 1 upon 3 x 1 upon 3 plus 2x half plus c. Option B, 2 upon 3 x 2 upon 3 plus half x square plus c. Option C, 2 upon 3 x 3 upon 2 2 x half plus c. Option D, 3 upon 2 x 3 upon 2 plus half x half plus c. No. So one trick is 2 upon 3 3 by 2. Like this, it can be possible. Okay. 3 by 2 3 by 2 not possible. This is not possible. Getting or not? So if in entrance this type of questions will come, so you can think of that 2 by 3 2 by 3. This will also not be there. 1 by 3 1 by 3 not possible. Okay, because always 3 by 2 means denominator it will be 3 by 2, so if it will come it will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 3 by 2 possible, half 2 possible. So without solving it, you can say that C is the answer. Can you say or not? If you are clever, if you know how to, when we solve what the answer comes, always you will see that 2 by 3 3 by 2, like that it comes, right? Because in the denominator 3 by 2, denominator 3 by 2, so 3 by 2, if I take to numerator, it will become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 3 by 2 combination is okay. 2 by 3 2 by 3, never, it will not possible. 1 by 3 1 by 3, not possible. 3 by 2 3 by 2, not possible. So only C will be there. Let's see, we'll calculate and we'll get it or not. Okay, but from the answer itself you can say that C will be the answer. So we'll find out the antiderivative means integration. Will find out of root x plus 1 by root x dx. So this is equal to root x means x to the power half plus 1 upon root x means x to the power half. If I'll take to numerator, x to the power minus half dx. Easy, na? So individual integration of this one plus integration of this one. Sum is there, plus is there means I have to find the integration with the individual for the individual terms. So x to the power half dx will be x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1, right? Plus x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. So what it will be? A half plus 1 is 3 by 2. In the numerator it will become 2 by 3. Then x to the power half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 3 by 2 combination. You see here 1 minus half is half. If I take to numerator, half means 1 by 2, numerator 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2 by 1 or 2 I can write. So x to the power 1 minus half is half. So 2x to the power half plus 2. Option C. Correct. Question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22 says, let me write the options first. Okay. So if d by dA x of f of x is a function. Okay. If derivative of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3 upon x4, if you find out the derivative of this function, you are getting this one. That means integration of this one will give you f of x, and condition is given such that f of 2 means in place of f(x), if we put the value 2, then whatever the value will come, that is called f of 2. Okay. F of x means a function, like it will be x square plus 2x, like that, a function. F of 2 means for in place of x, if we put the value 2, then what will be the result? That is called f of 2. Okay. This is how we write f of x. This is f of 2 is equal to 0. Condition given, f of x is 0, f of 2 is 0. Then, so why f of 2 is 0? Why it is necessary? We'll see. It will help us to find the constant, integral constant. So then f of x is option. Options are a x4 1 upon x cube minus 129 by 8. Option B x cube 1 upon x4 129 by 8. Option C x4 cube plus 129 by 8. Option D x cube plus 1 upon x4 129 by 8. Okay. What you will do? You have to find out f of x. Derivative of this one is this. So you have to find out x of x. So how will you do? Integration. You have to find out the integration. Once you find the integration, then you can find out f of x. But one constant c will come. So how will you remove that? How can you find the value of c? Now using this condition, f of 2 is equal to 0. That condition we will use, and we can find out the constant c. Okay. Now we'll go for that. So we'll find the integration of 4x cube minus 3x4 dx. Why I am doing integration? Because the derivative of this function is given. So I have to, once I find the integration, then only I can find out the f of x. Right. So what shall I do? 4x cube dx, directly I am doing 4x cube, integration of x cube power 3, then 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, right? So x to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3 plus 1, that is 4. I'm writing directly. Or if you are confused, you can write 3 plus 1, this is 3 plus 1. Minus 3 x to the power minus 4. If I take x to 4 to the numerator, it will become x to the power minus 4. If I take this one, right? So x to the power minus 4 plus 1, this is minus 4 plus 1. Whether it is negative, fraction or positive number, always we will use n plus 1 by n plus 1. The power is n plus c. Now 3 plus 1, 4 cancelled. So 3x to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 4 plus 1, the minus 3. Now, so minus plus, and 3 cancelled. Minus 4 plus 1, x to the power minus 3, plus C. Or you can write this is you can write x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x cube plus C. So this is what? This is your f of x. This is your function. But so this is your function. But we do not know C. Here C is not given na, in the answer. 129 by 8 or something like minus 129 by 8 is given. So we have to find this C by using this condition so that we can calculate the C. So how will you do that? We'll do here. So we'll use the condition f of 2 is equal to 0. That means if I put f of 2 is equal to what? So this is 2 to the power 4 and this is 1 by 2 cube. F of 2 means, as I told you, x, just you will replace x and write 2 plus C, this is cube, and this is equal to 0 given, no? The condition is f of 2 must be 0. So that means 2 to the power 4 means 16 plus 1 upon 18, 8 plus C is equal to 0. तो C क्या होगा? What will be C? C will be, ये दोनों राइट साइड चला जाएगा. That means minus 16 minus 1 upon 8. तो कितना होगा? LCM 8 minus 16 minus 8 into minus थोड़ा ऊपर 8 LCM 8 16 8 या 128 minus and minus 1 तो कितना हुआ? minus 129 by 8. कितना हुआ? What is the value? Minus 129 by 8. So what is your function, final function? Just remove C, write C, we got minus 129 by 8. Done. This is your answer, f of x. So x is 4, 1 upon x is cube minus 129 by 8. The first one is correct. Then others are x is cube by 1 upon x is 4, no. X is 4, 1 upon x is cube plus, no. So we're getting negative now, minus 129. So only option A is the correct one, right? So exercise 7.1, all the questions we have solved in 3 videos. Part 1, question number 1 to 5. Part 2, question number 6 to 15. Part 3, question number 16 to question number 22. So all the questions I have solved of exercise 7.1. 7.2, I'll do it in the next videos with some concepts also we'll discuss. Okay, thank you all.